Hello and welcome back to Screen Technicals, guys. I welcome you to the fifth video of the HTML and CSS series full course for beginners. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the lists. So basically in HTML we have two types of lists, ordered lists and unordered lists. So let's first discuss about the ordered list. So for ordered list we have to write OL. Now you can see there are no changes here. Why? Because inside this ordered list we have to define some list items. Okay, so for that we have to write here li. Now you can see here it's showing us 1. Inside this you can write here 1. In a similar way you can create more list items. Okay, let me copy this. Now you can see that we have 4 list items inside this OL, and I will write here 2. Inside this I will write here 3. I write here 4. So if you want to change this 1 2 3 4 to ABCD or to Roman numbers, then we have attributes, that is type. And inside this if you write capital A, then you can see it has been changed to ABCD. And if you write here small a, then it will changes to the smaller letters. And if you write here I, then you can see this okay, it has been converted into the Roman numbers. And if you write here capital I, then it will just capitalize all those things. So this is about the ordered lists. Now we have another type of list, that is UL, that is unordered list. So similarly inside this unordered list we have to create list items. So let me show you a shortcut. If you are in VS Code, okay, just follow what I'm doing. Write here li, and outside this write star and write the number of times for which you want to create this li. If I write here 4 and click enter, then you can see I have 4 unordered lists. So inside this I can write here this 1, the similar way, here 2, and here I can write 3. I can also write here 4. Okay, so similar to OL we have attribute the type. So we have to write here type, and inside this by default it is in disk. Okay, we have 3 type of type, okay, that is disk, square and circle. By default it is in disk. So if I will write here square, then you can see it has been changed to square. Let me zoom it. Okay, now you can visualize it clearly. And if I will write here circle, then you can see it has changes to this type of circles, and by default it is in disk. If I will write here disk, then it will go to its original state. Okay, so this is about lists, and inside this list you can create other list also. For example, I will create here list items, and inside this list I can create ordered list also. So you can see I have created 3 ordered lists right here. So this is all about the ordered and unordered list. And guys, it is this UL is an important part, okay, of a website, because using this we create our nav bars, that is the navigation bars. So I hope you have understand this video, and if this video is helpful for you, and if you are following this series, then guys please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it right now.